We said to you, for as long as the EFF is alive, Phala Phala will remain alive.
Akufunekanga kuvumeleke ukuba umntu ngenxa bengupresident enze unothanda wakhe kuba enalanto kuba uzokhuselwa.
I-EFF ithi isinqumo senkantolo sisho ukuthi umengameli kuzomele esule esikhundleni ngoba lukhulu liyeza.
He should go and concentrate on this impeachment process because it has got serious implications on him as an individual. And if I were him, I should resign with immediate effect to concentrate on this matter.
Lesi sinqumo siphosela inselele ubuholi be-ANC.
The ANC is exposed, and we've always told you that the ANC abuses its majority. The people, when they give you majority, they don't give you majority to go and defend crime, to go and defend wrongdoing and corruption. They give you majority to pass laws that are going to be in their best interest, not on the interest of an individual.
I-ANC ithi iyasihlonipha isinqumo senkantolo yomthethosisekelo.
So we have no reason to actually doubt the findings of the court. Our job now is to go and have a conversation as a collective in the ANC together with our parliamentary caucus. We do believe that our parliamentary caucus took good judgment in as far as that is concerned, but the court has made a finding.
Njengamanje ke wonke amehlo athe njo kumaqembu abusa ngokubambisana ne-ANC ukuthi ami kuphi kulolu daba. I-DA ithi izohambisana nomthethosisekelo.
The Democratic Alliance will participate fully and constructively in the impeachment committee. We will be guided by facts, by the evidence placed before this committee, and by our constitutional duty.
Amaqembu ombusazwe angekho ngaphansi kahulumeni wokubambisana ne-ANC aphawule kanje ngesinqumo senkantolo.
Our president is notorious. He doesn't ever answer to the media. He addresses the media but never takes questions. He's now going to take questions in an impeachment process, and I think that's good for South Africa.
So what we have is a president whose office is supposed to be, who himself is supposed to be beyond reproach, being implicated in criminality. We can't afford as a country to be having this. He should just save South Africans and just resign.
Ihhovisi likaMengameli lithi uMengameli uzohlonipha umyalelo wenkantolo yomthethosisekelo. Kanti okhulumela iPhalamende uthi basazosicubungula isinqumo senkantolo bese ke beyanquma ukuthi sisho ukuthini kuPhalamende likazwelonke.